Okay, this is another problem. It's similar to the interest problems we've been doing. We've got two of something and we have percentages of each, and so let's just go straight into it. Okay, so all right, looks like we got two stocks. So right to begin with, we'll just call stock A and stock B. Okay, and we got 20 grand invested between the two. So we got 20 grand invested in two stocks. One stock gained 12% and the other lost 5%. If the net gain of both investments was $18.90, then how much was invested in each stock? So let's find the gain, on each stock, okay? And that's going to be, basically we're going to put X dollars in stock A at 12%, and we're going to put Y dollars in stock B at -5%. That's the only kicker there, okay? Because we lost money. So when we go set up our equation, it's going to look like this. Okay, X dollars at 12%, Y dollars at -5% equals $18.90, our total. Okay, and we've done this before. We should be getting a little better at setting this one up right now. You might not be an expert, and that's okay. That's what these videos are for. Okay, so let's see. So we put X dollars in A and Y dollars in B, and we had $20,000 total. So X plus Y is going to equal 20,000. We're going to, it doesn't matter which one, we're going to eliminate one of these guys, just like we have before. So that's going to leave us with Y being equal to 20,000 minus X. That's what Y is, okay? This is Y. Y equals 20,000 minus X. And if I look up here, I've got a Y up here. So we're just going to go and plug it in. So we're going to plug it in. Okay? This is me plugging it in. Hang on, I'm just, I'm saying stuff to, I'm adjusting my light. So, yep, I'm just going to take this, I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so we got 0.12x minus 0.05. Ooh, that barely fit on the page. So I got that. Now all I got to do is I'm going to use my distributive property. Okay, I'm just going to take the negative 5%, 0.05, and I'm going to distribute it inside the parentheses. Okay. So we got 0.12 minus 0.15. That's going to be like 20,000 divided by 100. Should be about 200, I think. Let me just do my calculator to make sure. Or no, it's 1,000. Yeah, it's 1,000. Good thing I did my calculator. And notice how we're going to distribute this. We have a negative times a negative. That's going to give us a positive. Okay. Now notice how we've got two like terms right here. So let's just go ahead and combine those. And that's going to come up to... I think I can do that one in my head. Okay, now we've got a pretty straightforward equation here. This is just like our beginning stuff. Okay, so it looks like 0.017x is going to be equal to 2890. Okay, now all we got to do is just solve for x. These are going to cancel out, so I'm going to type it into my calculator. And it looks like that's going to be equal to $1,700. So over here I'm going to write x equals $1,700. Well, if going back to my equation, I invested 20 grand to start with, and here's my word problem. It looks like in stock A, I put X dollars, which turned out to be 17 grand, so it means I had to have put 3,000 into the other. And it looks like I ought to be a financial analyst because well, maybe not. It looks like I might have got lucky. At least I invested more into the good stock than I did into the bad stock. Had I put the 17,000 in stock B, I would have lost a heck of a lot more money. So that's that one, and that's pretty much you know, that's what happened. So that one was pretty straightforward, and we've just kind of, you know, we've already done a few just like it. And really, you're going to notice a lot of these word problems are just the same problem with a different application. And we're gonna even this whole process, this you know, one thing, another thing, an amount, a percentage. The next place you'll see this is like in chemicals. There'll be like, you know, a concentration of this and a concentration of that. So maybe we'll do one of those in the next video. See ya in the next video.